XRP Future Millionaire, 8:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm looking across the board, and I know the Fed comes out and talks. Supposedly, we're supposed to hear the CPI numbers at 8:30 a.m., which is about a half hour away. So we'll see when they decide to come out. But you see how the market's pumping right now? Be very, very careful. The RSI on, this is not a joke now. The RSI on XRP is up to 75. That's well in the overbought on the daily. In the 4 hourly, we're overbought. In the 3 hour, we're approaching overbought. In the 2 hour, we're getting up there. And then in the 30-minute time frame, like I said yesterday, there was still a little bit of room to come up because we were so low on the 30-minute. We're up to 56 right now, but in the daily, like I said, this is all going to meet. This is all going to meet. The RSI cannot continue to hang out like this and expect to keep going up. In the daily time frame, that RSI is way up there. So, as we get towards the end of the day and into today, I believe we're going to start to reverse back down. When the CPI comes out, I think it's going to be a problem. We've got this overwhelming support or resistance at 88. It's like 88. What is this up here? We wicked a couple times. We'll just say 91. That's support in the area, but we still have that 88 right here. Say that 88 is this. If you stay over that, maybe, you know, you can push the next level, but like we've talked about, we're going to need continuous volume. And as you can see with this daily candle, in the first 14 hours or 13 hours and 10 minutes, that daily candle is very small. It's not going to be able to fill that out in 24 hours. That's a very small one. And I dare say we're going back to the volume before this fake out pump. So we'll see how it works itself out here. But XRP is definitely in a bit of trouble here, according to the RSI. Like, it's telling us we have to come back down and correct. That could simply mean coming back down to 75 cents or 80 cents and readjusting the RSI. But I have a feeling we're getting this pump up right now. Remember how we talked about right before the CPI, we could get this move up to 45,492. We talked about this yesterday many times about how I thought we had to go up and we could hit 45,492, but I didn't think it would do much to our overall coins from the levels we were at, and it had the Sean, it stayed above that support, so I know you're happy. But that's why I was saying, as long as it stayed above that 337 support, when we got to 350, we definitely had a chance. And we bounced off of, I believe, 352 we were stuck at. So I don't know if we're going to get a repeat in the markets. But like I was saying the other day, Theta was not Theta, ADA is undervalued. I said that yesterday, but Theta, when we're looking at it, it was way undervalued. Even before this pump up, it was down there on the daily, on the RSI, and it was way down at like 34. So that's a little different than XRP. Now it's in the 4 hour, we're approach overbought, which means a correction could come, but we'll see. It's going to be a tricky day today. CPI comes out, so I just wanted to give you this brief touch around the market. XRP Future Millionaire, make sure to hit that like button if you need a little bit of extra help. I haven't even gone on the Telegram this morning from being asleep. Lots of messages, lots of questions. So, if you guys need a little bit of help, if you want to be able to talk to me and a bunch of other fantastic minds, join Tom's Army, $9.99 a month. You get this Telegram exclusive. You can't pay for it. I give you it for joining Tom's Army and believing in me. And you can talk to all these unbelievable people. It's just unbelievable how much stuff goes on here. So, stay blessed, everybody. And for the record, we have 205 members of Tom's Army. I can't even believe it. CPI comes out in like 18 minutes, so this could be a big pump. to dump. So I would have loved to have come on my tablet, but Julie's got a doctor's appointment. She's getting her cast off and getting her walking boot on, even though she still can't walk, for 5 weeks. Stay blessed, everybody.